Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're featuring Replay dishes and utensils. Replay was founded on the idea that mealtime is family time, so they make kids mealtime products. And all of their products are made out of recycled materials, so they're environmentally friendly. There is a wide range of options, including divided plates, flat plates, bowls, utensils, snack sets, and cups. You can get no spill cups with spouts, lids with a straw, or regular drinking cups, whatever you and your child prefer. Replay products come in a ton of different colors of the rainbow too, so you can make sure to select your child's favorite colors. They're dishwasher safe, but they do suggest cleaning the silicone no spill valves and the soft spouts by hand. In our store specifically, the no spill cups are super popular, and my personal favorite color is the blush. Overall, we really just love that Replay products are affordable, durable, and sustainable, and your kids will love using them during mealtime. Thanks for watching. You can shop Replay products on babycubby.com, where any order over $25 ships for free. To see one of our videos with some Replay products in action, you can click right here. Like and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next time.